Hello guys, welcome into the trade breakdown video from Friday 10 January 2025. It was again the RRC trade, like always. It's my main model for trading futures, actually scalping, because entry time frame is 30 seconds and higher time frame is 5 and 15 minutes. Then let's go. I post this trade today on my Twitter account and also on my Discord group. I took it on 10 Apex funded accounts, which is $500,000 funded. I took it on my 01 Tradify account, which got a little bit fucked up yesterday because of trade copier mistake. I make post about it, and I took it also on one fresh Tradify account. Other Tradify accounts, other three are ready for payout. Then I'm just waiting for payout window next week to be open. And yes, this is the accounts I took it on. Guys in the Discord took that trade as well. AMO and Wick. You can see RSC Selvin is the same time and the same trade like I trade. And here is Eric, beautiful payouts, over 10,000 from, I think, Take Profit Trader. Then let's get back to the trade breakdown. Higher time frame, we can check the bias because today was been NFP day. Okay, we can see consolidation during the London, then little spike up, took some liquidity for sure, and overall it was consolidating since yesterday. If you saw my video from yesterday, it was also a trade breakdown from the New York session like today. We was in huge consolidation, I mentioned it yesterday, but we are in consolidation with downtrend on even higher time frame. Yes, here we start the reversal and the downtrend. You can see consolidation, spike down, consolidation, spike down, consolidation, spike down, again, yes. And today again it was the news also, I think, but overall we was in downtrend and I was looking for shorts again, the same like yesterday. As I said, I wait for pullback and I was looking for point of interest on 15 and 5 minute time frame. On 15 minutes there was this like a huge order block, if we can name it like that, but I didn't pay huge attention to it. I like to refine my entry to the 5 minute, the higher time frame point to the 5 minute. And here we have continuation block. Continuation block is something I explain in my private group in the course. It's very effective if you know how to filter out the bad ones and the good ones, okay? Because this one was a high probability continuation block, and that was my like second point of interest marked, and this was my first 5 minute swing high. You can see it very clearly, okay? This high is lower than this, and the candle on the left is also lower high. Then this is our swing high. Candle on the left and on the high on the right have lower, smaller, higher high. Okay. Then this is valid swing high. This is continuation block, and I will go to the replay tool. I can delete all this. We can mark it once again. We go in 30 seconds. As I said, I was waiting for bearish trade, okay? Then I mark the bearish point of interest. It is under swing high. I have it marked also, but it didn't reach that up. Then I later delete that. Now we create the swing high, and we just wait if we tap it. Here we got top candle, and the top candle was the same candle for both point of interest, also for the continuation block, okay, and also for the swing high. You see, this candle tap our higher time frame point of interest as a first, both of the point of interest. Then we mark RRC candle, it's this one. Now we are waiting for the hard close, body close below. If you don't understand what I'm saying right now, it's probably because you didn't check the first video where I'm explaining to the details how RRC works, how to approach and trade RRC model. And a link for this video is here in the right corner on the top. And in any case, this link doesn't work, you find it as a first video on my YouTube channel. First listed video, the oldest video, is the RRC video where I explain how to trade RRC. I explain each step, I explain top candle, RRC candle. Okay, back to the breakdown. With a point of interest, define the top candle, define RRC candle, now waiting for reaction. As I say, I don't like wicks, and here was one, but it was really like not so huge rejection, and then we got big rejection from the top, like we got bearish wick, okay, and we close body way below it. I explained the size calculation yesterday, that you will be not how to say, in the rush when the body of the candle close behind RRC, but you are already calculated how much you want to risk. When this candle close below, it takes me a little time to write the position size and execute the entry. I entry around here somewhere, I think it was something like this, but it tapped RRC level. If you put sell limit on RRC, you can see it tapped the RRC anyway, but my entry was a little bit lower. My stop loss, I mentioned it in a lot of videos. If you want to be really safe, put your stop loss always behind the 30 seconds highest high or lowest low. Depends if you are longing or shorting, okay? But when the stop loss range is so high, like 64 points, is just huge. It's really huge move. Then I put it behind the higher time frame, in this case 5 minute point of interest, and that's a 5 minute continuation block. Plus here we have double fair value gap. Okay, bullish momentum and then fast bearish momentum. Here is another one bearish. Then if price break through this, it will probably go even higher. Then this was for me totally safe place to put the stop loss. Now take profit. You can see I have here marked apex, because on apex I go more. It was 1.5 then my entry. Sorry, my stop loss is wrong. My stop loss was behind 5 minute continuation block. I got around 1.5 on apex. As you can see, on apex I take little smaller profit. I also risk a little less, but I take also the smaller risk to reward. And on Tradify I go for 2.5, because here was the 2 around here, but it was not, how to say, so significant. This candle was really strong. Then I was expecting here is some volume and we will go somewhere here, even the down here, because there is a lot of swing lows and none of them is swept, you can see. Then everywhere here is liquidity. We just don't know where is all the liquidity. Okay, we can use this volume and we can see like this, but maybe here is the most of the liquidity, because here is the point of I don't know the name of this. I'm not using this indicator so often, but I have saved it in case like this to decide the take profit. But yeah, I take it in this place where it's almost no volume, because liquidity is resting or here and it sweep down below, or its liquidity sweep below this. And this was my apex take profit. This was my Tradify take profit. About stop loss movement, after we go here around and sweep these lows, I reduce my stop loss by 50%, and when we close the profits on apex, I move my stop loss to break even, and let Tradify accounts go to the profit. And you can see by yourself. Again, like yesterday, 16:51, 56, 5 minutes. Okay, trade duration was 5 minutes, and it was a lot of like 2,500 plus 900, over 3,000, yes, over $3,500 profit in 5 minutes, which is insane, really insane. And you are going risk free very fast, okay? You move your stop loss and you are safe. This is why I really like the RRC model and why I develop it, why I am using 30 seconds and 5 minutes, and why I am going one trade per day, because you make analysis which take me like 15 minutes and then you trade which take you like 5-10 minutes and you are done under 1 hour for the day, okay? It's very good. Before I was trading higher time frames like 1 minute, 3, 5 minutes entries, and sometimes I was in trade like 1, 2, 4, 6 hours, and let's say you are 4 hours trade going to the profits, okay, and then it turn against you and you hit break even, or if you don't move your stop loss you hit a losing trade after 4 or 6 hours of stress, because when your balance on the account going up and your accounts are bigger, the more stress you have during the trade. You didn't even realize that, but it's happening. Your emotions are working all the time. Then this is why I like RRC model. You are done for the day very fast. Lose or win, you are done in 10, 20, 15 minutes, okay? Then this was a trade from today. Again, if you didn't saw my RRC explanation video where I'm explaining the strategy, it's the first video on my channel, go check it out. And if you want to join our private group and get access to the videos where I'm explaining the details and how to select the right higher time frame point of interest, how to know when RRC is high probability and when not, when to take full risk, when to take half risk, don't wait and don't miss out. Join our private group and get access to the Discord where is all members trading only RRC, which is huge benefit because you will have around you people with same goal and trading same model. You can help guys each other. Plus I will always answer all your questions, okay, which you ask in the Discord group. More details about the membership you can find on my post on my X account, on my Twitter, okay? Is this one. Here is everything, explain it. If you have even more questions, just write me DM, write me or leave the comment. Once again, if you like these breakdown videos, leave a comment, leave a like, then I know you are interested into it and I will make them more often.